Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Nikhil Kumar. In today's video, we are taking a deep dive into Ansible Vault, the tool that keeps your secrets safe. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to lock down passwords, API keys, and other sensitive data so you can code with confidence. So, what exactly is Ansible Vault? Simply put, Ansible Vault allows you to encrypt sensitive data in your playbooks. Without it, we risk exposing sensitive information in plain text, which can be a major security issue. Vault solves this by giving us an easy way to encrypt and decrypt information as we need it. Using Vault is a best practice whenever you are working with sensitive data. It ensures that only authorized users can access your secrets, and it can make your playbooks more secure when stored in source control systems like Git. Let's get hands-on with Vault by creating an encrypted file to store a database password. To create a Vault file, we can use this command, that is Ansible-Vault create and file name. We can give any file name. Here I'm giving a secret_vars.yml. So it will prompt for the password. So we need to set a password for this particular file, which will be need to decrypt this file later. The password isn't stored anywhere, so keep it secure. So I'm giving a password here. It opens a VA editor for us. So to edit something, we need to press I to get into the insert mode. I'm just setting a DB password here and setting up the password, that is password 123, and save and exit. Now this file is encrypted. Let's see how it looks. So to open this file, we can use a cat command and we can see the data is encrypted now. And to see the encrypted data, we can use a command Ansible Vault with the view option. Ansible-Vault view and the file name. And it will prompt for the password again to decrypt this particular file. So I'm entering the password. So we can see the data here. And now if you want to edit the same, you can use the command Ansible-Vault edit and the file name. It will prompt for the password again, enter the password, and now we can edit the content here. So I'm just adding the 4 at the end, and now we have modified the content successfully. And if you just verify this, it will ask for the password, and we can see that content got modified. Now that we understand how to create Ansible Vault file, we will use this encrypted data in a playbook. Let's create a quick playbook to show how we can reference DB password from the secrets_vars.yml file. So I'm going to create a playbook here, playbook.yml, and I am just running it on the local host, and I'm using a keyword called vars_files, which will be used to import the files in our playbook, and the file name is secret_vars.yml. V is in upper lowercase, and then we need to specify the task keyword and our task. Print encrypted data, and I'm using a simple debug module, and parameter is message, db password is, and taking a reference of the variable which we specified in the vault file. Now our playbook is ready. Let's trigger this playbook, Ansible-playbook and the playbook name. As you can see, the playbook got failed because it's not able to read the vault file. It's attempting to decrypt it, but it's not able to decrypt it because it's looking for the password which we haven't provided it. To run this playbook with the encrypted data, we need to provide the vault password. We can do this by using the parameter called ask_vault_pass. So for that, I'm just running the same command with the option -ask-vault-pass. So this particular playbook will ask for the vault password first, then it will trigger this particular playbook. If we hit enter, it will asking for the vault password. If I enter the password, it will start the execution of the playbook. As we can see, it's able to read the information from the vault file because we have passed the parameter called ask_vault_pass, so it will prompt for the password. Now, typing the password every time can be repetitive, especially in automated environments. A simple solution is to use a password file. So let's first create a password file, that is vault underscore password dot txt, and we will add our password in the plain text here. So I gave a password called redhead, and make sure to secure this file properly. Next, we need to add this option when running the playbook to reference the password file directly. Instead of ask vault pass, we need to pass a parameter called vault password file. So for that, instead of ask vault pass, we need to pass a parameter hyphen hyphen vault hyphen password hyphen file, and the file name vault underscore password dot txt. So now it will not prompt for the password, so it will directly run the playbook. So it will read the information from the vault file by decrypting it. This is very helpful way when automating tasks, but remember, securing the vault underscore password dot txt file is just as important. We can do this by changing the file permission to restrict access. So we can do it by using a command chmod 600 and the vault password file. This will ensure that other users on the system won't have access to our vault password file. And if you're interested in extra layer of security, consider encoding your password in base64. It's a simple way to add an extra level of security, especially if you're working in a shared environment. And if you ever want to change the encryption password, you can use the rekey command. This will update the vault file to use a new password without decrypting it. We can do it by using the ansible-vault command with the rekey option, rekey, and the file name, and it will ask for the old password, and now it will ask for the new password. So I'm setting up a new password here. Now our vault password got updated, and to see that, we can trigger the same playbook with the vault password file which is having the old password, so it will not able to decrypt that particular file. So let's update the password in the vault password file, and I set up the password Nikhil here, and if I run the same command again, it will work fine. As you can see, it's able to decrypt the vault file and get the information from there and print it on the screen as per the task. And that's how you can use Ansible Vault to manage sensitive information securely, whether you are managing simple secrets or working in large environments. Vault gives you flexibility and security you need. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, and let me know in the comments what other Ansible topics you would like to see. Thanks for watching and happy automating.